Hammersmith. And it's my first day after my quarantine. So, pupunta ako ng Hammersmith at saka bibili ako ng jumper for Christmas jumper. Cheers! So, punta ako ng Primark, mas mura doon. Nandito kami sa Chiswick Highway, ay Chiswick High Street. This is Chiswick High Street, look guys.
It's good to note that everyone's social distancing and everyone's got a mask on, including ourselves.
Hindi dito nagmamask yung mga tao, ilan lang. Nagmamask lang papasok ng shops, bus, ganon. So, maglalakad kami papuntang garage ni Colin sa work niya, and then sabay kaming pupunta sa sa Hammersmith Station, which is doon niya kukunin yung bus niya. Maglalagin lang muna siya doon na. Maghiwalay na kami doon. Ako na lang mag-isa punta ng Primark. Kaya see you later guys sa Primark. Tingnan natin kung ano yung makukuha ko doon. Bye! Sa bus kami. Kami lang dalawa sa hero. Ay, hello, we're on the bus. Service to papunta ng Riverside. Kaya, walang bayad. Tapos, pupunta kami ng Hammersmith. Tulo namin yung area. Pati sa taas. Kabila yung passenger. Traffic ko. Traffic. Yan sa taas. Sa double decker. Hello, we're in Primark and look what I got. This one, we're going to the cashier now. See you later at home and I'm gonna show you what I got. Okay, bye. Two bags. Now, where at the back? The other side, babe. Ang daming paninda, walang pera. There's a beauty salon already here. Babe. There's a beauty salon already here. Before it wasn't. There is none here. Okay, punta na kami ng Hammersmith Station. Pissing down. Umuulan. Ito yung shopping center ng ng Hammersmith. Look. New look. Max over there. Super job. Yan yung mga beauty products. Okay, Max. Land over there. Wasabi. Mark Spencer. Look at their Christmas tree. Look at that. So nice. Look. Dito na kami sa loob ng Hammersmith Station. Ito yung Hammersmith Station for the train. And then, we will go up. Andoon yung sa bus naman. Roads. Busy siya. And we're going up now. Busy yung isa. Nakasulat for his work. Okay, sa taas ng station. Din doon ako mag-aabang ng bus papuntang Chiswick. Dito. Ayan. Yung sa baba, McDonald's. Look at that Christmas tree. airport.